If you're seeing the message, an error occurred, please try again, in Opera, especially on a black screen while loading media, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes step by step so you can get YouTube and other video players working again without wasting time guessing. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's talk about the most common cause. This error is often triggered by a script conflict between YouTube and your active ad blocker. So if you're using an extension like uBlock Origin, click the extension icon in your browser, open its settings panel, go to filter lists, and then click Update Now. Sometimes the filter rules just need a refresh, and that alone can resolve the playback issue. After updating the lists, go back to the video and refresh the page to see if the error is gone. If the problem still continues, the next step is to disable Opera's built-in ad blocker. Opera's native ad shield can sometimes fall out of sync with modern video players, and that can cause loading errors. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and E on your keyboard to open the extensions menu. From there, find Opera's default ad blocker and toggle it off. Once it's disabled, refresh the page and test the video again. In many cases, that immediately clears the black screen error and allows the media to load normally. If you're still seeing the message, the next fix is to clear cookies and site data. A stuck configuration profile can sometimes cause the authentication or playback process to loop, which prevents the page from loading properly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the clear browsing data window. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is checked. After that, click Clear Data. This removes outdated session files that may be interfering with YouTube or other media sites. Once that's done, restart Opera and try the page again. If you've already tried all of that and the error still appears, the final fix is to repair Opera itself. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner, then go to Update and Recovery. Under the Recovery tab, click Recover. When prompted, choose Keep My Data and only reset Opera settings. This runs an automatic system patch that can fix broken browser settings without deleting your personal files. After the recovery process finishes, reopen your site and test the video one more time. Usually one of these steps will solve the issue, whether it's the ad blocker conflict, the built-in Opera shield, corrupted cookies, or a browser setting that needs repair. So to recap, update your ad blocker filters, turn off Opera's default ad blocker, clear cookies and site data, and if needed, run Opera recovery. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.